Babe, what's wrong? I have something to tell you. Babe, what? Don't get angry here. Alright, me not get angry. What? Feel like more wife. What, am I not enough? You're enough, I just am like variety, you know. You know, like how we can't eat chicken alone. You have to eat goat sometime, pork sometime. You know, like, me love variety, you know, baby. So what, you're gonna leave me? No, man, you're gonna still there, man, baby. So like, how much more wife you want, like? Just like when my wife more, man. Know yourself, man, baby. Okay, babe. Yeah, man, baby. Just like that, man, baby. Yeah, man, just like that. Yeah, man, rub my nipple, man. I know something like it, man, baby. Rub my nipple, them, man. Rub my nipple, them, I know. Yeah, man, baby. Something like it, man. Woo! Yeah, man, baby, you know. Yeah, man, massage my foot them, man. Massage my foot them. This is life. This is the life. I mean, babes, what is? Boy! Babes, alright? How them get in our house? My new wife, them, man, baby. Lisa, Keisha, Lisa, Brittany, Keisha, Brittany. Say hi to each other. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. So hold on. So me can't rub it down good enough. So I have to get some dry head girl feed with. Baby, don't be like that, man, baby. Next thing, I never want my wife. Let's see how did one. Where did that big fat girl come from? Calm down, no, man. Variety, man, baby. Variety. We gonna give them some variety lick. Look, dirty girl. Sure. What you feel like? What you feel like? What you feel like? No, stop. Easy now, yo, easy now, man. Let's reason like now, my people. Come. Alright, so come get to know each other a little better. So Keisha, ask any questions I feel for you ask, man. So what's your name again? Lisa. So Lisa, why do you like my husband? He is kind, he's handsome and very strong. What can you offer in a relationship? You know, I can cook really well and I can clean. What can you cook? I can cook curry chicken, baked chicken, anything. You can't cook better than me. One thing me know. Yellow bread, tomato, serious is like mix him into how tough. What you say? I lie here, baby. I lie. Alright, go cook for your dinner tonight, here. Yeah? Gone. Be the one Joe, come on, no man. Because he a big head girl. Hush ya. So we say you can cook down. I did joke me and make me can't cook. So when I go here. So you can cook, Brittany? But how can I eat that girl in my father God? So what you can do for me? Yo, answer my question. What you can do for me? This. Yo, front can't full belly, you know? So I better learn to cook by tonight because the king have to eat. You can buy some cup noodle on the road and eat. Cup noodle? But how kind of girl this here? Yo, Keisha, come back, please. May I beg you. Please, Keisha, come back, please. Oh, God. I can suffer. Babes, calm down, no? No, don't be down. I'm hungry, man. Sure.